Hello YouTubers. Just a little update on what's going on with old Butterscotch. Um, right now I'm trying to fix the door handle button. You can see I took the panel off. And as you can see, the little clip in there that holds the button in there broke, so I'm trying to find a way to get it in there without having to buy that clip. So in here, the panel's off, and I got all the tools in there and stuff. And the button goes in here. Whoops. And then, and there. I gotta make some kind of clip that's gonna go on there. Just something. Rig something up. I already tried duct tape. It worked, but then after a little time it slid out. So now I'll try something different.